Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the SVT Play application to your FireStick device. This is going to be a full guide video. That means I will show you every single step you need to follow on your FireStick device to install this application. So all you've got to do is to watch the video right up to the end carefully to make sure you don't miss a step. So that's it, let's get ahead. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So here's my Fire Stick device, and to install this application, the very first thing I need is the application that I need to install, which is the downloader application. So we need to start by installing downloader, which is the simplest app to download. All you've got to do, go to the search box over here and type in downloader, or just simply D, and you're going to get a suggestion to the application. Here is it over here, download the application. Now the download application is what we need on our Fire Stick device to install applications from unknown sources. So just click on download, and downloader is going to be downloaded to your Fire Stick device. It is as simple as this. Once it's downloaded, it is going to install, and we are going to go ahead and use it on our Fire Stick device to install the SVT Play. So here's the application. Please don't open it straight away. Return home. There is still another important step that you need to do before you go ahead and install it. Now on FireStick, on a new FireStick by default, it doesn't allow you to install applications from unknown sources. So on your FireStick device, before you install applications that are not on the Amazon App Store, you need to turn on the option that is going to allow you to install applications from unknown sources. And the option is under this setting that says My Fire TV. Go over to it, and if you see this option that says developer options, then maybe you are already good to go. But if you don't see this option, come to the about section, open it, and on the name of your Fire Stick, mine is the Fire TV Stick 4K. On the name of yours, just click on it 5 times till there is a pop-up that comes that says no need, you are already a developer. Once it's installed, and the pop-up comes on, return to this option, and you are going to find that this has already appeared if it wasn't there before. So click on it, and on the second option here, please make sure that this is turned on. If this is not turned on, you wouldn't be able to install any application from any unknown source. So this has to be turned on before you'll be able to install applications from downloader. Once it's turned on, then you can return home. Now before we go ahead to install SVT Play, I just want to remind you that the Amazon released a new Fire Stick device called the Amazon Stick Select, and it doesn't allow you to sideload certain applications. So if you are unable to sideload this particular application on that Fire Stick, then the problem is not the process, but the problem is the system of your Fire Stick. But for those of us who have the old versions of Fire Sticks with the Android operating system, we can still sideload applications, and that's what I'm showing you in this video. So we've done the two most important steps. We've installed downloader, we've turned on the installation from unknown sources. What we need to do now is to go over to the download application and use it to install the SVT Play. So go over here, launch downloader on your Fire Stick, and this is exactly how it should look like for your very first time. So click on allow, click OK, and in this box over here, we need to type in the code that is going to allow us to install the SVT Play to our Fire Stick. So please follow attentively. This is the code. The code is 39. If you type in the wrong code, this is definitely not going to work. So please make sure that you type in the wrong code, the right code that I am showing you currently. So the code is 3963473. 3963473. You can write the code down, or you can screenshot it so you don't forget. 3963473. As I type in the code, all you've got to do, click on go, and this is going to go straight away to downloading this particular application to your Fire TV. It is the SVT Player application. So here is it over here. Just give it a second for it to download, and we will definitely install it to our Fire Stick. So it's currently downloading. Now while it's downloading, I just want you to know, please use a VPN while you're browsing. We cannot overemphasize the importance of using a VPN. In the description of this video, there is a VPN suggestion. Check it out. If you love it, please subscribe. If you don't love it, you can get any other VPN subscription, but make sure you're using a VPN while browsing on your browser on any of your devices, FireStick or Android TV. Anyways, let's continue. Here's the application. It has downloaded. Now what you got to do, just click on install and it is going to install to your FireStick. So this is the STV player. STV player is going to be installed to your FireStick device, just as simple as I have showed you so far. Just give it a second, let it completely install. So here's the application. It is installed. Once it's installed, click on done, delete the app file from your FireStick device, and then you can return here and return home. Close the download application and you can return home, and you realize the application has been installed. So go over to your apps section over here and you see the SVT or the STV play application. Here's it over here, and then you can go ahead and launch it on your FireStick device, and this is how it looks like. The STV player won't run without Google Play services, which are not supported by. Anyway, I need to accept all of these, and or you reject anyone that you choose, please. You can choose to reject anyone. So my problem is my FireStick device doesn't support Google Play services. If yours supports Google Play services, then the application should work on your device without any issues. So if it doesn't work, just click on OK, and then all you need to do now is add your email address to sign in or join an account. So you need to create an STV account with your email address. You can create it here, or you can create it on another device, and all you need to do is to add in your email address here, and then you'll be logged into your account. Please, I just want to make you understand that STV is just a player. This is not an application that provides content. You need to bring in your own content that you want to watch on this device. So please add in your email address, and once you're done, you can click on continue, and then you'll be able to use the application on your FireStick device without any issues. So that's how to sideload the application. It's called STV Play. It's called STV Play, and once you've sideloaded it, you can be able to use it on your FireStick device and watch content if you have a source for your content. So basically that's it about this video, and let me just give you a summary of what you need to do on your FireStick to install this application. The first step is installing the download application, which is very important because you will need it to install the application that we want. And the next step is making sure you turn on the uh, installation from unknown sources, which is going to allow you to install applications to your FireStick device that are not from the Amazon FireStick. And lastly, you go over to downloader and type in the code, which was 3963473, to install the application, and then it's going to download and install like this. And once it's done installing, you can go ahead and use it on your FireStick device. So that's it about the video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.